This is a remake inspired by popular Paxton, so please enjoy. And this is a scene from the third truck movie. So I hope you guys will enjoy this remake.
Heads up, guys. We've got mainland and furnace trucks coming our way. That's right. And the diesels will be getting here soon, too. You better surrender, or you're gonna get... Ow!
Destroy them, said Junk. Hey, where are the diesels? Asked the giggling troublesome truck.
I'm gonna knock you into next week. By next week, we'll have Scaredy back and you guys will be laying in a pile crying like babies. Oh yeah? We'll see about that. Ow! How dare you? Ah! How many times are we gonna have to deal with you idiots? I'm not an idiot. You're right. You're not an idiot. You're clearly... Ow! Oh! Chris!
Harry rushed over to where Chris had landed. Horrid hooky and the two trucks and tanker who were quick to surround him.
Let's see you get out of this one. What the? Where did you guys come from? From the subway tunnels, you idiots. Whoa. Whoa. Oh no. Ah. Ah. You will pay for that. Oh no, we won't. Take this. Ow.
Ow! Get off of me, you silly chocolate cargo! Ow! Dude! Oops. Sorry about...
Sorry about that. Ow. Ow. Take that. I hope that hurt.
Who the heck are you guys? Asked Harry. Truck's here to help. You can call us your friends if you want to. Come on, guys. Let's take care of the rest of those truck schmucks. There you go, Chris. Thanks, Harry.